Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video I'll show you how to create a simple HTML link. Let's write our basic HTML. So the title which will be displayed on the title bar, let's set that text to be my first link. Then go right to the body, which will display the main content of our website. As I said in my first video, anything that is written inside the head will not be displayed on the main web page of our website. So something like the title will only be displayed on the title bar. So let's just save this one and see the outcome of it. Let's go and locate our file, which is this. So you can clearly see that the title is displayed on the title bar, which is my first link. Let's introduce an h1 tag. So the h1 tag, let's set it to how to create link. Okay, so now before we include our link in our web page, let's try to write something in the form of paragraph so that you just put a link inside. So let's introduce a paragraph tag and then let's write something. Let's say my name is Kofi. Please click on the link to see more about me. So let's make the link to be a link. So before you introduce a link in your web page, we use an element, or we use a tag called the anchor element. The anchor element is an alphabet A, of which we have an attribute inside called the href attribute, which simply means hypertext reference. So we are referring the link to a certain host, or a certain host. So let's sorry for that. So in between the anchor elements, which is the opening tag and then the closing tag of the anchor elements, we have the link. So the link here is going to be a link of which when the user click on it, it will send the user to another web page. So let's refer the link to www.google.com. So this link will send the user to Google. So let's save it and see the outcome. So you can clearly see that the link is in blue to show that it's a link. Let's just click on this. But because I don't have internet connectivity, you can't see Google. Okay, so let's make the link to open in a new window. So introduce the target tag. So this will open our link in a new window. There you go. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to Survivors Code and become part of the coding family. Thank you for watching.